Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet women's garter dresses, different color, different styles and combinations, same color also in front of you for beautiful and creative ladies who loves to wear such type of collection. Most attractive and amazing collection in front of you one by one. I hope you like this collection. Crochet is always beautiful, trendy and also stylish and amazing collection. So I suggest you to watch this video till the end for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet women's garter dress in others, crochet women bodycon dresses, crochet women long dresses, short dresses, full sleeve, half sleeve, sleeveless, off shoulder, one shoulder dresses, crochet women skirt designs, top designs, blouse designs, crochet women scarf designs, flowering scarf designs, crochet women poncho designs, caplet, cap shawl, circular jacket designs, open jacket designs, sweater designs, and crochet baby material like crochet baby frock designs, crochet baby romper designs, sandal designs, crochet baby cap designs, women cap designs, men cap designs, long gloves, short gloves, fingerless gloves, and crochet jewelry like crochet women necklace designs, designs, bracelets, finger rings, and feet jewelry like anklet designs, baby anklet designs, and many more things also. You can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. So dear friends, try this collection, enjoy this video, share this video. Now goodbye till the next video. See you soon.